Hi, I'm Jake Williams,
And I'm Chris Sanders.
and we are going to be talking about the formation of the Earth and its layers, as well as the magnetic field surrounding the Earth. So, at the beginning of the solar system's formation, the planets were constantly being bombarded by meteors. And this bombardment stopped around 3.8 billion years ago, and this is when the planets started cooling. And during this time, denser materials moved towards the center of the planet, while lighter materials rose from the top. And this is how the layers that form Earth were created.
I'm going to talk about the Earth's layers. First is the crust. This outermost layer is the cooled and hardened part of the Earth that ranges in depth from approximately 3 to 44 miles. It makes up only about 1% of the Earth's entire volume. The oceanic crust is more dense, made of iron, magnesium, silicate, igneous rocks like basalt, and the continental crust is less dense and composed of sodium, potassium, aluminate silicate rocks like granite. The upper mantle makes up about 84% of Earth's volume. It is predominantly solid but behaves as a very viscous fluid over geological time. It starts at the base of the crust and extends from a depth of 4.3 to 21.7 miles downward to a depth of 250 miles. The lower mantle lies between 410 and 1796 miles in depth. Temps can reach over 4,000 degrees Celsius or 7,230 degrees Fahrenheit at the boundary of the core. The outer core, confirmed to be a liquid, is 230 kilometers thick and composed of 80% iron. The core exists in a low viscosity state that undergoes turbulent convection and rotates faster than the rest of the planet. This causes eddy currents to form in the fluid core, which creates a dynamo effect that is believed to influence the Earth's magnetic field. So it's 50 times stronger than the Earth's surface magnetic field. The inner core, composed of primarily iron and nickel with a radius of 1,220 kilometers, has temps of about 5,400 degrees Celsius or 9,800 degrees Fahrenheit. The only reason heavy metals can exist at that heat is because the melting points drastically increase due to high pressure. The inner core is believed to be a solid.
The outer and inner cores spin at different rates, and the convective currents in the liquid core also interact with surrounding electrical currents. These two things are believed to create and influence Earth's magnetic field, also known as the geomagnetic field. This field creates two distinct north and south magnetic poles at the Earth's two geometric poles. This field, however, is very unstable, and the poles have flipped positions many times in Earth's history. So the North magnetic pole will be at the southern geographic pole, and vice versa. Many migratory animals use this geomagnetic field to help navigate as they travel long distances. It also shields the planet from harmful space particles. Solar winds, however, can bend the magnetic field, and this creates the phenomena that we know as the northern and southern lights.